Hello, what is your name?
I am Maria Rosely Artisano.
How old are you?
I am 40 years old.
What is your religion?
I am Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes.
Do you have kids?
Yes.
How many kids you have?
I have 3 kids.
How old are they?
They are 15, 14, and 12.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
I've been working here for 8 years.
Okay, so do you have any working experience in other countries?
Yes, I have.
Where?
And UAE,
How many years?
2 years.
Okay, so how long have you been working with your current employer?
2 years.
Where's your employer living in?
Shungshawan,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
700 square feet.
How many family members there?
There are 3,
How many children?
only 1.
Okay, so how old the kid?
8 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
Okay, I will wake up at around 5:30 in the morning. And then I prepare the foods for the kid, and then cooking the lunch because he's staying there in school. So I have to prepare all things for him and then send him to school in the other station. So we were walking for around 15 minutes.
And then?
That's all.
Okay, so about marketing, do you go market?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so, and then, how about dinner? What time you cook?
I'm cooking their dinner around 6:30,
Okay, so what time they eat?
7:30,
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
9 o'clock in the evening.
9 o'clock. Okay,
Yes.
thank you so much.